And one afterthought here, should you ever want to reverse all this, what would you do? Well, let's think about that. You already know the answer, right? But for those who haven't thought about it yet, take truck side off, get everything naked again, and you're back to this. Here's the plastic wheel. How hard is this? You take the macaroni, the little whitened bushing out, press that in, put him through, put him on, back to factory. Done. Nice, easy process. Just a shame that many of you whom responded when I did more of a description of this, amid the tutorial in a more broad-based sense of things, where now I'm getting into, finite detail, can't get the parts you need. And that would include me. So, there you are. Okay, back in the element amid all the chaos here. In the layout room. Is everything all back? Okay, and it's kind of a mess here, pardon me. Here's a example of an old 5-volt system, 5-volt board, in that same A-frame. And what you have to do to take, the smoke pot out and the board out and the station for the, and these were so nice. Oh my God, they were so nice. Look at each plug port's labeled for whatever it's going to be, a headlamp or a Mars light or the coupler, interior light, the headlight, and nice, beautiful, thick iron brackets on the fronts. And these will all be replaced and upgraded with LEDs. There's the fuel tank back there. I talked about that in the middle for more rigidity. And he's waiting for a upgrade speaker, and this is a dummy example. Right there, he's waiting for a speaker, no problem. And we'll discard the old 9-volt battery holders, and you keep, don't you, all your parts in a parts cup. Here's another E8 in a Great Northern livery. Dummy, anyway. See the fuel tank? Same thing. And when you take those apart, you'll need the body stakes, because all the stumps will likely be broken, or you will break them when you take them apart. And I showed you this before. This is the go to the hardware, dime a piece for all kinds of different cuts and sizes of what we just finished with for parts. Basically, these are how they come in the barrel. I didn't custom cut anything here. Just a one and done. If you like, you could use the 2-pieced system, If you want to go side by side and leave the collector alone, then you could put one of these on one end and one on, can't do that, slide it too well in there. One on the other side, and have 2 of those versus one piloting bearing or whatever you like to call it. And these are some spare traction tires, and these are some of the things that you start to get into. Ron's better at this stuff than I would ever hope to be, I'm sure, but when you're upgrading and all the LEDs and so on that you get, tethers, doubled LEDs, and all the different plug ports.